Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a canvas that matches the Gacha card size you need. Pick 300/600 DPI for clarity. Import your reference photos and drop them on a locked layer with lowered opacity so you can trace proportions quickly. Next, pick a brush set. A crisp G-pen for line work, a pressure-sensitive brush for hair, and a soft airbrush for base shading. Once set, block rough shapes on a new layer, and label layers clearly so you don't lose track. Now you refine shapes into clean lineart. Switch to vector or enable stabilization and keep smoothing around 50 to 80% for steady strokes. Once lines are set, make flat color layers organized by region and lock transparency, or use alpha lock so color stays inside shapes. For depth, add a multiply layer for shadows and an overlay or screen for highlights. Use clipping masks to confine effects to single elements. Make sure to zoom in for edge cleanup and save incremental versions as you go. Finish by adding texture and small details. Use a paper texture or light noise on its own layer at low opacity to unify the piece. Once done, apply subtle color correction with curves and hue saturation to make the character pop. Test at final resolution to ensure readability on small screens. Then export a full-size PNG for highest quality and a reduced JPEG preview for quick uploads and save a layered clip backup. If colors shift, check your export profile and redo color correction with the device preview.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.